Welcome to my channel. I am Abdus Salam, Assistant Teacher, Rajshahi Collegiate School, Rajshahi. My dear viewers, I have come here today only to focus a special beauty which is called the road C and B, and sometimes people call it the Circus House Road also. You know it very well that this road is special especially for those people who come here from the other parts of the city to enjoy the natural beauty of the riverside Padma. When they enter into this road, it creates the special environment which is too much different and magnificent. Normally, the people do not get such kind of situation the other roads of this city. It is really magnificent and unique. The roads and always neat and clean. The people come here only to get mental refreshment. You know it very well that when people work for a long time, they get bored, and after getting the boring activities for all the day, in the afternoon and evening session, people come here only to get mental refreshment. And when they get leisure time, most of the time some young guys also come here only to get the mental recreation which will refresh their mind to do better jobs for the new, and atmosphere will be very much nice for them. So we have come here only to introduce you this road. It is called Circuit House Road, and sometimes it is called C and B Road. My dear viewers, now I am at the Collectorate Field in Rajshahi. It is very much famous and very well known to all kind of people. It is famous because of all kind of fairs and occasional activities are done in this field. This field is very large and spacious, and when some occasion, I mean the Pahela Boishakh or any Independence Day and any occasional fairs are held, this place is very much famous, and thousands of people come here to enjoy this fair which are held here. And the atmosphere here are very much nice, and all the positions are very clear, and the whole area is surrounded with lakhs of beautiful trees which has create the special atmosphere. And so now I can recollect one of the most and best poem of our great poet, American poet Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep a miles to go before I sleep. This poem has really satisfied my mind because when I look at the trees, and those trees have created a special feelings in my mind. I feel the soothing in my heart when I look all these trees here. All the trees are green, and they have created a magnificent atmosphere, and all the things are very nice. Especially this field is a special one. Now you can easily understand that the cows are grazing here in a systematic way, and they are enjoying the natural beauty, and they are getting their mental satisfaction also. Now you can easily understand that this place is surrounded with a lakhs of trees which has created a special and magnificent atmosphere. When people come here to get the mental relief, they become puzzled watching the creation of the God. God has created all these things in a systematic way. It has created the extraordinary views for all kind of viewers who come here only to look through the nature. You know it very well, nature is only for the mental satisfaction and to create the mental food for people. You know it very well. After the hard work of the day, people come to the lap of nature. The nature is a special one which creates the real atmosphere to make the people very happy. So we are going to the next. It's really a nice day, especially it is a Friday holiday, and so this is a holiday for all kind of people in Rajshahi, Bangladesh. And so now you can easily understand the movement of the people, and especially the young guys who have come here only to enjoy the afternoon session, because all the whole week they remain busy with their study. Someone becomes busy for their special activities, and someone becomes busy especially for their business of different kinds. But actually, who are young guys, most of them remain busy for their study activities all the day of the week. But holiday in Bangladesh, it's very enjoyable, and so the students and all kind of people come here to celebrate this day with their special one or with the groups of friends, so that they can have the mental pleasure. And this road is unique one in Rajshahi. It's magnificent, especially for the long and beautiful trees. These trees are the witness of the ages. These trees are the witness of the ages. All these old trees are the witness of many events of our Rajshahi, and you know it very well. This atmosphere is rare in our country. It has created a special view. All the people who come here for their mental recreation. So when it is the afternoon session or the evening session, the nature lovers come here to enjoy the real atmosphere. You know it very well that most of the time some people are walking through this road only to have their excellent mood of mind, and they only come here to get the mental refreshment. And you know it very well that when a lot of people work together, they enjoy the mental strength also. All the people are looking jovial and energetic. They always feel very happy when they work, and some people only come here to meet their friends and to see and observe the natural beauty together. When you will be alone, your mood will not be up to date. But when you will be with your friends or with the friends group, then you will be very much happy, and you can enjoy the natural beauty and all the things very nicely. Actually, your company or the atmosphere will make you confident enough to observe all the things very nicely. And I hope and believe that you will be puzzled to watch the activities and the real beauty of this road very nicely. So it is our target to make you confident about the natural atmosphere of this road. And when I come here, I feel very glad to see all the activities here done by the common people here. So we are going to the next. My dear viewers, now I am at the front of Circuit House Road. It is very much important and very much crucial, especially for the high official and the local leaders who come here to attend some important missions and important meetings here. It is very much important, especially for those people who are political leaders and who are the high officials and who work as the at the ministry level. You know it very well. It is called Circuit House, and all the district meetings and all the important crucial meetings are held here. So you can easily understand that this place is very much important, and security is always here. So people just walk by this road and just to enjoy the nature's view. But actually this place is too much different from the others, and as the Circuit House is here, so it is completely secured, and this road is well protected by the government. And so when people come here, they see the atmosphere neat and clean, because all the security and all the protective elements are here. So here is no problem. People get free when they come here. So now you can easily understand all the things here, and people feel very easy and comfortable when they come here, because all the people and the places and activities are secured here. All the people like to take rest. All the people like to enjoy the leisure. In the same way, I am working for a long time now. I am sitting here only to get leisure, to enjoy my happiness, to enjoy my leisure here. You know, my dear viewers, that every action has its own and opposite reaction. So as I have worked for a long time, so I think now I am sitting only to get some leisure which can make me refreshed and which can make me helpful to work more better than before. So this time it is very nice to me to talk for you, and I am really enjoying my time to talk to you. And I would like to request all the time that be positive all the time, be positive for all the works, and be positive for every action which you will perform and which you will do for you and you will do for the others also. And you know it very well, when you will think about something, everything will be difficult for you. But after working for a long time, and after working for the people, and after working for the common interest, then you will feel easy and you will be satisfied. So please be positive all the time, and just try to work all the time, and just be attentive and be active in all situation which can make you confident. So I would like to request all of you to be positive, especially thinking the real objective of my videos. I have made it only to inspire you all to speak nicely. It is not for grammatical purposes. It is only for speaking. It is only for the development of speaking, which can be very much easy and helpful for all of you. So I would like to request all of my viewers that you all should follow my all videos, and you will start speaking with your friends and mates and relatives, so that you can be a smart and proper speaker one day. And in this way you will be famous, and you will also be confident in your speaking. So thank you all. My dear viewers, you know it very well that the objective of my channel is to make you confident in English. Especially today I have made this video only to make you smart in English. When you will see any natural beauty, you will be able to describe all the things very nicely. So today I am making this video only to inspire you how to speak English nicely and how to describe any event nicely. Such as today you see that this road is very much busy. Why? Because it is the holiday, especially for the people of Rajshahi, and some students and the people come here only to enjoy their free day, I mean the holiday, with their mates and with their friends, and they have made different kind of groups which have made them very jovial, and they are enjoying their time nicely. Now you can easily find that the roads is jam-packed with a lot of young guys. They have come here only to meet their friends, and they have enjoyed their very easy and simple life here, so that they can get the mental relief of the whole week's busy schedules. And now you can easily understand watching and observing all the people who are very much busy, and they are laughing, they are talking, and they are enjoying their time very nicely. So you can easily understand that people do not like to be limited or to be bound with a single thing. Sometimes they want the outward world, and they want to go to the nature, because when they come out from the city life, and when they come out from the busy schedule of their life, they become very happy and they enjoy their time. And this place is easily indicate that all the things are very nice and in favor of the young guys who have come here to enjoy their time. Especially they are enjoying. If you watch them, if you observe them very closely, you can easily understand all the things very nicely. So my dear viewers, if you follow my videos from the very beginning to the end, you can easily understand how to delineate, how to describe, and how to explain a thing very nicely. And now you can easily understand that আমি কিন্তু আগেই তোমাদেরকে একটা কথা বলেছি, সেটা হলো কি, ওই যে একটা কবিতা বলেছিলাম না, দ্য উডস আর লাভলি ডার্ক অ্যান্ড ডিপ বাট আই হ্যাভ প্রমিস টু কিপ এ মাইলস টু গো বিফোর আই স্লিপ। ঠিক একই কথা, যে প্রত্যেকটা মানুষের জীবনে কিন্তু একটা প্রতিজ্ঞা থাকে, দ্যাট প্রমিস শুড বি ডান, দ্যাট প্রমিস শুড বি কেপ্ট। ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে আওয়ার অবজেক্টিভ of this channel is to make you confident and skilled in English by hook or by crook. Please follow all the videos which can help you to be confident in English. So, my dear viewers, if you like my channel, if you are benefited from my channel, please like it, share it, and subscribe it to your and share it to your friends so that they can be benefited by you also.